Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and hello everyone. My topic today is about unity. Unity is the key to peace, security, victory, success and positivity. Unity brings people together, creating love, harmony and liberty between them. Unity and coming together are among the basic principles of Islam. And there are many aspects of unity in Islam, such as one Lord, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, one book, one Kareem, one Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one religion Islam, one Qibla, one Ummah. Believing the oneness or unity of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is an essential aspect of Islam. Muslims believe in only one God, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu witnessed that there is no deity except Him, and so do the angels and those of knowledge, that He is maintaining creation justice. World powers are playing double politics when it comes to Muslims, and in this case, the genocide bombing of the innocent Palestinians by the Zionist, racist, evil, satanic army in the Palestinian territories. All these evil acts take place by the watch of the international community and by the unity of the Yahud and Nasara and the Zionist evil army. Powerful nations are silent when it comes to Muslims, and in this fact, when it comes to Muslims, we the Muslim Ummah are planned by all means this injustice and human evil act. We're praying to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to have mercy on them and on us, to assist our Palestinian brothers and sisters in this war against the evil army, to reward their sacrifices and to give them sabr, make it easy for them in this war against the evil army, and to give them strength.